This year for my birthday, I decided to take my first celebrity cruise, and I sailed on the Celebrity Summit going to Key West and Nassau. I knew Summit was Celebrity's oldest and smallest ship. It was built in 2001. I had also heard that Celebrity cruisers may be of an older demographic, so I was expecting a pretty laid-back and low-key cruising experience. I didn't know it, but I was in for a huge surprise. I booked an ocean view room for $650 as a solo cruiser, and I have $100 in onboard credit. For this cruise, I purchased a Wi-Fi and specialty dining at the Tuscan Grill.
Hey guys, it's me. It is cruise day, and I am sailing away on the Celebrity Summit. So it's been a full day already, and we are already pulling away from the port. This is my very first cruise on the Celebrity Summit, and so far it's been pretty interesting. So I am here on a group cruise. This is Parker's On The Go BYOC cruise. So I didn't vlog coming onto the ship or even the first few hours because I was just taking it all in. So just touring the ship, checking out the food, checking out the buffet, seeing all of the options that are available, and I was pretty impressed. Pretty surprised and very happy. So I'm excited about the next few days. We are going to Key West and Nassau, the Bahamas, and I'm just looking forward to exploring this new ship and exploring especially Key West, because I've been there before but I have not vlogged before, so it's going to be an interesting cruise.
And we're off. Sailing out of Miami, arguably one of the most beautiful sail-away ports ever. I didn't take a lot of footage on this embarkation day. With my last cruise being on Celebrity's sister brand ship and not having the best experience, while I consider myself an open-minded cruiser, I had my guard up just a little bit on this cruise. Guys, and this is the sail away. So much different than Carnival. It is so quiet and peaceful. Everybody's along the side rail just kind of watching us sail away, watching us leave shore, watching us go out to sea. And it's just kind of quiet and peaceful. I mean, literally, there is no music playing. At least I can't hear from back here. I'm in the back of the ship, so I'm about to walk towards the front to see what's going on. Alright, so there is a little bit of live music playing. Or is it? I don't know if I'm hearing music or not. Okay, yeah, there's a little bit of live music playing. But it's like you can barely hear it, so not the loud sail away and fun party, fun high energy party like Carnival, but that's not a bad thing. It's just different. Okay, so I just left sail away and I came back to the cabin. So before I unpack and everything, I'm going to give you a quick little room tour. So you guys are gonna have to forgive me because I have not vlogged much today, but that's because I'm on a new ship, totally different line,
And I just wanted to take the time out to just kind of explore things and look at things myself before, you know, trying to vlog, you know, the experience. Had a wonderful dinner in the MDR. I loved it because one thing I loved about Celebrity, everything is marked gluten-free. For embarkation lunch, we went to the buffet and everything was marked, whether it was gluten-free and other allergens. And then when I went to the MDR, the menu is marked as well. Everything's marked, however, there are certain things that you still can order. Like I asked about breakfast tomorrow, if I could order like pancakes or French toast, because typically on cruise ships those you do have to order. So I asked just to make sure, and yes, I do have to pre-order the night before if I want that. And I'm sorry the lighting is bad in here, but there's about, in 10 minutes, there's going to be a comedy show to start down here. So we are in the theater. So I'm waiting for the comedy show. It's supposed to be an hour long, and I only saw one comedian listed. So this should be interesting. So as usual, I did have things picked out on the app. There's quite a few things that I picked out, but when the time came, I didn't want to go. I didn't feel like going, but I just got a glass of champagne and just walked around the ship and picked different spots to just listen to music. That's one of my favorite things to do, comedy and listen to music. So I got a glass of mimosa here, and I'm going to sit back and watch the comedy show.
Angela, I'll be your cruise director this voyage. We should get over the elephant in the room right now, because I know what you're thinking. You're thinking she's got a funny accent. You'd be absolutely right. I was born and bred in Texas. Yeah.
You, another round of applause for Angela. Let her hear it. Cruise director. All right, that's enough. That's distancing. Everybody's wearing a mask. Feels good. I'm done. I can't do it anymore. Every time, because they come out with something else. It's like Delta, Omicron, monkeypox. I'm done. I can't do it. You ever try to tuck and shake somebody's hand?
Good morning, guys. So I just ordered breakfast, a little pre-breakfast before I get out. So I got some orange juice, coffee, some yogurt, and some gluten-free toast. And this is warm. Oh, that looks good and tasty. Got a little butter and jelly to go with that too. Good morning, guys. I hope you can hear me because I don't have my microphone on. But I am having breakfast with Parkers on the go. They're up around getting food from the buffet right now. So I am on breakfast number 2. So this morning I got some gluten-free pancakes and French toast because I wanted to give them a try. And then from the buffet, sorry, I already started eating. I got some grits, some bacon, there's some pork sausage over there, and some hash browns. Okay, so this is day 2, and you didn't see them in my vlog from day 1, but
The disrespect.
But I have yesterday I was so busy. It was a new ship, so you know I was just trying to feel my way around the ship first. But so I have the honor of having breakfast with Parkers on the go. With Parkers on the go this morning. So we got Brandon over here. And Brandon, what are you having this morning?
What am I not having? An omelet, fried rice, eggs, a waffle, and for some reason my wife put a hash brown.
Okay, fried rice for breakfast?
Don't judge me.
And they also have pork and beans over there too.
All right. I'm sorry. So we won't judge Brandon. So let's go over here to Siobhan. Okay, what are you having, Siobhan?
For second breakfast, I am having some bacon, some potatoes, a slice of French toast and some scrambled eggs.
Oh, that sounds like a delicious breakfast.
Yes, well, I hope it is.
Well, you guys enjoy.
Thank you.
Hey, what are you having?
Oh, okay. I already showed them what I'm having.
Oh.
My gluten-free pancakes and French toast, which I had sent up from the main dining room because I kind of missed breakfast this morning because they closed at 9. So they sent it up here, the order up here, and I was able to get it here. So, yeah. Yes. That's a celebrity chef for you.
Okay, that's
I woke up this morning, got me feeling brand new, like I know what to do, got me feeling nostalgic. Look at me. Ancestors sending clues, I'm sending gratitude back, cause the whole world outside, sun in my eye, a girl in my ride, head in the sky, we gon' make it if we try, the truth never lie, wings we can fly, with you by my side. This morning, oh yeah, and I woke up this morning. Not every day is easy. I'ma keep it breezy. Not every day is easy. I'ma keep it. I'm like a caterpillar turned into a butterfly. I'm on the grass, it's always greener on the other side. And we gon' make it out the struggle, though we traumatized. I used to take this life for granted, I apologize. So thankful I'm alive. This jungle I survived. I'm on a natural high, just like the east side rise. My ass is sunny side. It's up to you to decide. Get on my level, tell the devil go from where it hides. So tell girls outside, sun is way high, girl in my ride.
So I am here at the Martini Bar, and I'm doing this is a mixology class, one-on-one. Unfortunately, my battery's on low, and I don't have my charger with me, so I'm not sure how much of it I'm going to get, but I will try to take some pictures and maybe a few clips.
I really enjoyed this mixology class and highly recommend it as an on-board experience. You'll want to pre-purchase at home because there were a lot of people trying to take other people's spots. The bartenders had to take roll call and verify each attendant because there were people who didn't pay but just refused to leave. There were only 20 spots for the class, and the class couldn't get started until the people who had actually paid were identified. But once we finally got started, this was a great experience. We made 2 martinis from fresh ingredients, and I will warn you, the drinks were strong. So strong that I ended up heading straight to my room and getting a nap in. Wait, who am I fooling? It's a sea day. I would have gotten a nap in anyway, but you get my point. The drinks were strong.
Here is drink number 2. This is a jalapeno drink. A little spicy, but I like it.
Y'all, I just left mixology one-on-one at the Martini Bar. Woo! That's about all I can say. It's like I'm trying to meet up with friends and feeling it right now from the mixology. It's a class. You're teaching us. You ain't trying to get us tipsy. You're teaching us, but woo! So today for dinner, I am dining at the Tuscan Grill, specialty restaurant here on the summit. So unlike the menus in the main dining room, so these in the Tuscan Grill, the menu isn't marked for allergens, but I did ask if they had gluten-free pasta, so the server is checking with the chef to make sure that they do have gluten-free pasta. Okay, I'll try that. Yes. All right, thank you. Okay, so he just told me the meatballs have bread inside, so it's breaded meatballs. I ordered a ribeye. He's going to do a substitution, so hey, I'm going to try it just to try some different things.
And then of course I got a Cabernet, and here's my gluten-free bread that I'm going to dip in my olive oil and basil. And the first appetizer is here. I got the pork belly.
Tested it out, and this is actually pretty good, pretty delicious. And
This was absolutely delicious, but one thing that I've learned is not to eat the whole thing, because on the ships you get like appetizer and sometimes you get 2 appetizers, and by the time you get to your actual meal you are stuffed. Well, at least I am. So I will do like half an appetizer, and you know, so that I can get through my meal and possibly dessert. And here is my second appetizer.
So I've never had a Capri salad, but I like this. This is very good. I like the way the flavors mix together. And the funny thing is, as a kid growing up, I never liked tomatoes, but as I moved into adulthood, somehow I started to like tomatoes.
Guys, and here's my main course. So I got a ribeye with a side of gorgonzola sauce, mashed potatoes, and some type of, it's still spaghetti noodles. I did get gluten-free pasta, so I'm gonna dig in and try it and see how it is.
First, I'm going to try the pasta here. It looks like an Alfredo type of pasta. Let's try it. It's good, but that's exactly what it tastes like an Alfredo sauce. But it is good. The pasta is good. It's tender. Not too tough, which sometimes gluten-free pasta can be, but this is delicious. So now I'm going to try a little bit of the ribeye. And I got it medium. I like my steaks medium, so I did get it medium. So here is a little bit of that's good. It's well seasoned. Well seasoned. I don't need to add salt. A little bit of mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes are good too. Now I'm going to try the steak with a little bit of the gorgonzola sauce, which is over here. I'm going to add a little bit of sauce to it and see if that enhances the flavor or if it's too much. Try it again. It's pretty good. Now, I'm one that if the steak is good, there's no sauce needed. No sauce is needed for the steak, but the sauce does enhance it a little bit. I can take it with or without the sauce, but it is pretty good. So I would say tonight at the Tuscan Grill, gluten-free has been absolutely delicious.
Alright, and for dessert, I have the limoncello cheesecake, gluten-free.
Alright, trying to get some good lighting here. I am back in the theater. So I am finishing off the night with a show in the theater. This is called Life. I have no idea what it's about. It says musicians, so I'm thinking some type of show, production show. So we shall see what it is. So I'm sitting here with my mimosa and just waiting for the show to get started.
Waiting for the show to get started.
You're ready, hello! Yeah! Because by now you've been fed and watered and you're ready to be entertained, yeah?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is an honor to be your designated driver for this cruise. How has been your food so far? Exactly what I'm talking about. Our executive chef, Denton from Jamaica.
Came back to my room, and it looks like every night they give you an itinerary for the next day, and then they leave you dark chocolates. And tonight it looks like I have, this looks like a celebrity tote bag. Yeah, celebrity tote bag. Pretty cool. All right, guys, great show. I'm calling in tonight. We got Key West tomorrow. All right, deuces. Good morning, everybody. We are in Key West today. I had a good breakfast, and now we are about to get out. I'm going to go out with Kiki, who is actually right there behind me. That's Kiki right there. And we're waiting on Parker's on the go. And we are going to grab a go-kart and just go around Key West. Should be a fun day today. And there's Parker's on the go, Siobhan and Brandon. So there are a few differences that I have noticed so far with Celebrity. I haven't seen photographers around the ship. And even when you get off the ship, notice there's no one waiting to take your picture. And they also have Purell stations. They have hand sanitizing stations when you get on and off the ship. And they give you 2 little bottles of hand sanitizer in your room. And they had a table set up with extra hand sanitizer if you wanted to take a bottle with you. Out here with my friends. So we are here about to pick up a golf cart.
Like their iPad with it, like know you paid. Right. But the ticket blows off or something.
In the back, like, it's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be good.
The golf cart was a great way to get around Key West. However, it was difficult to find parking in some areas, so beware of that. We were only in Key West for a short period of time, so we got up and out early and made this our first stop. Good thing we did. By the time we left, there was a long line to take pictures at the southernmost point.
So we made it down here to the southernmost point, and we got our pictures and everything. We gotta take lessons from Kiki on how to pose, because the girl has the pose mastered. Next stop is the Ernest Hemingway home. I've been here a couple of times and never actually made it here, so today we're going to go in. But if you want to come, you see they have no credit cards, and the right now is $18 for adults and $7 for children. So we're gonna go and take a look inside.
Him to pay off 42 years back taxes for the square acre we stand on. In 1931, that was only $8,000. I know, God, I hate talking about that. Pauline saved him even more money by decorating herself because Pauline Pfeiffer was the editor of Vogue. Most of this furniture is hers, so thank you for not touching or leaning on any of it. Just let the cats destroy the history. Believe me, guys, they do. I mean, have you ever tried to get one cat to not do something? We have 57. Oh yeah, and you thought it was a good idea to get married quickly and run away to France. And they were happy. Then he met her best friend, Pauline Pfeiffer. So Hadley and Ernest divorced in April. Pauline and Ernest married in May. It's like you guys are psychic. 1927. And Pauline and Ernest were in this house from 1931 until she found out about Martha Gellhorn, the most famous correspondent in human history, and I mean full stop. But she met Ernest at the beginning of her extensive career. Ernest Hemingway was known to do a lot of research at a Sloppy Joe's, so she just waited to interview him there, and it went well. They got married in 1940, and Martha Gellhorn and Ernest Hemingway were happily married for 5 days. Then they were married for 5 years, constantly competing for the same jobs because they were both correspondents and famous egos in World War II. I mean, come on. 5 years of that, there was no chance of Martha forgiving Ernest once she found out about Mary Welch, a fellow correspondent in a club in London. Martha and Ernest divorced in 1945. What year did these two get married? I'm glad I got you guys today. I can't even lie. 1946. Yeah, Martha and Ernest divorced in December. Did I wear jeans today, right? I'm kidding. But who here has actually read A Farewell to Arms? Guys, this is a large form. Really? 3? Have a good day, guys. I'm done. Look at this guy. And he's a rarity. These cats are actually here because of these extra toes. They used to be members of the U.S. Navy. The Navy would breed these cats for that dominant polydactyl gene. Just over half of our cats are born with extra digits, which means they're better at catching mice, and mice on a ship ruin your food. That's why these cats were members of the Navy. Those are scary, Joe. I know you guys are buddy. Yeah, Ernest didn't selectively breed his cats. In fact, actually, Ernest Hemingway, he had so many cats on property, he stopped documenting it. He said, oh, it's too much work. We thoroughly disproved that. I mean, the cats don't get here through magic and wishes. We practice Planned Parenthood here. And that's why we only have 57, and Ernest Hemingway had so many cats, he stopped documenting it. We thoroughly document our cats. This is a cat zoo. Seriously, these are USDA certified animals. The ASPCA ensures we follow strict regulations. They have dedicated caretakers, an entire dedicated clinic, better health care than I have. Coming out here for, if you look out to the right at that lot there, we are actually one of the most popular venues for weddings on the island. In all fairness, I don't even want you guys to look out here and see the very first presidential pool we used. Had this giant pool, hand carved out of limestone.
And of course we have to stop by Kibitz.
And they usually have gluten-free cheesecake. So let me see if I can find some. like such a short day in port today. We got here at 7:30, have to be back by 2:30. It is now 11:55. So we just came from Kermit's and now we are here at Amigos. We're going to have some lunch, some tacos, nachos, burrito bowls, something, along with some margaritas, of course. There's a menu here showing us the different options that we have. Just got our orders. Now I was going to order nachos here at Amigos. They do advertise that they have gluten-free options. However, the nachos, the corn tortillas, are not gluten-free only because they are fried in the same oil as gluten items. So those are not gluten-free, but I got a bowl instead, which I'm very happy with. So I got a chicken bowl and Siobhan got a chicken bowl. What you got? What is that? Quesadilla? Is that a quesadilla?
Quesadilla, yes.
What's this reaction? What's going on here?
This is so good.
Oh god! Is it good?
That is so good.
Oh goodness! She about to cry.
A big taco. I ain't about to cry. I need one of them separately.
And Kiki got 3 square tacos.
This food, I didn't even have nothing but a body brand taco.
We just finished up lunch and now we have about an hour or so before we need to be back on the ship. So we're just gonna walk the area a little bit just before we head back. Day in Key West today. All right, now it's time to get back on the ship and see what we're gonna get into tonight. Back on the ship, and you guys already know what time it is.
It's nap time.
So sharing my birthday dinner with me is Kiki of Team Reese Travels. And we have Parker's on the go. Let's go. That's Siobhan.
Hello.
And there's Brandon. Hello Brandon, how are you?
Happy birthday, Sid.
Oh, thank you. Exactly. Did you
Shock and a pause.
Oh, yeah.
By the way, everybody gets one.
Well, congratulations on that.
Well, let me say that I am honored that you all would change your dining room and dining room time just to have dinner with me for my birthday.
This is no problem at all. It's a very easy choice.
Easy decision?
Forced or anything.
Well, thank you all very much. Hi, for my first appetizer, I got the tomato bisque.
Say cheese, lobster, say cheese.
My apologies for the dark lighting, you all, but now I just want to say I normally don't eat this much, but I was trying to piece together a meal. I wanted the risotto, the steak, and the lobster tonight. It's lobster night. But I was trying to piece together the entire meal instead of having 3 full plates, 3 separate entrees. But they just brought me 3 separate entrees.
So what I wanted was the steak and potatoes from here, the risotto, and then just the lobster and broccoli. But as you see, they brought 3 full entrees instead. Alright, and here's my birthday cake that I cannot eat, but luckily I'm here with friends who help me to eat my birthday cake.
Not that one. It's not rainy at all.
Alright, so they are enjoying my birthday cake. How is it,
Your
Siobhan?
birthday cake is amazing.
It's amazing. What do you think, Brandon?
I don't really like it.
You know I didn't make it, right?
I don't know that.
Oh, jeez. Hello, how are you? I'm doing great.
I just finished up dinner and went to my room for a little refresher and just kind of strolling around, just checking the ship out a little bit. But now I'm about to check out the next show. So this show is called Legacy, so we'll see what it's all about. Fun time at the club. All right, tomorrow, Nassau. All right. Deuces.
So I'm not feeling very sleepy, so I am just gonna sit back, relax, and watch Black Panther. I haven't seen it yet, so now's my opportunity.
These people got me going against my nature and trying to sneak into something. Y'all know I ain't like that. I mean, I have to because these are my friends. So I have to go with them. All right. So,
One for all for one.
Good morning. It is Nassau Day and I am headed to the gym, but this is my first time coming out here in the morning, and I see they have loungers and they already have towels laid out, folded up on the loungers for everyone. And that does remind me, we don't have towels in our rooms, but I see they have them on the loungers. Going to the gym, and it's through the spa.
Come on. 20 seconds. Come on. Stop moving again. Relax. Stand. Last 20 seconds. Relax. Come on. Relax. Let's go.
So joining me in the class is Kiki.
How you feeling, Kiki?
I feel wonderful.
You feel wonderful? Okay.
I couldn't wait to get this kind of big.
All right, just finished up the workout. This was a tough one, I have to admit. All right, and Kiki came and joined me. So what did you think of the workout, Kiki?
I think I'm tired.
Yes, I'm hungry too. Let's go get something to eat.
Spa Cafe and Juice Bar, and we just came from the gym and just walked outside. We're in the solarium where they have the Spa Cafe and Juice Bar, and they have a few treats out here. Let's see.
Good morning.
Good morning. Do you have gluten-free items?
Gluten-free muffins we have.
Oh, gluten-free muffins, zucchini muffin and banana nut muffin. Okay. Got banana nut muffins that are gluten-free. So I'm gonna grab one of those. And they have fruit, apples, oranges, and pears. And you can get cereal, of course, water, and got condiments here, and coffee. We get coffee, of course. We got orange juice, fruit punch, iced tea, apple juice. And then here is the menu for the Spa Cafe. So they have different smoothies as well. I was excited to see that they had gluten-free hamburger buns at the poolside grill, and that they were toasted without even asking.
Today is the last day and we are in Nassau, but instead of getting off the ship, I thought I'd take this opportunity to do a ship tour now that I'm more familiar with the ship, so that I can not only show you the areas, but talk about how I experience those areas as well. So right now I am on the top deck, so that leads me back here to my cabin on deck 2. So I hope you enjoyed my ship tour. I had a great time, so I hope this is helpful for you if you are looking to cruise the Celebrity Summit. These people got me going against my nature and trying to sneak into something. Y'all know I ain't like that. I have to, because these are my friends. So I have to go with them. All right.
All for what?
The highly esteemed cruise blogger Kiki of Team Reese Travels received an invite to watch this last sail away from the helipad at the front of the ship. We were all honored that Kiki extended her invitation to us to join her for this exclusive event.
So I have been on 27 cruises now, so what I've learned is that you have to sail with the big dogs in order. So to watch the sail away from the hill. Oh, that's reason. Hey, hello, thank you. Look at you. Hi. Oh my goodness. This is nice. Oh goodness. Everyone here was invited, well, kind of, I guess, to be here on the helipad at the very front of the ship for a special sail away. This is awesome. Look at So we are out here on the helipad, just waiting for sail away. All right, and of course it wouldn't be right without something to drink. There's a bridge up there.
This was an unexpected and perfect ending to my first experience with Celebrity Cruise Line and the Celebrity Summit. I will most definitely be back soon.